Welcome to Mastering Outlook Made Easy version 2016 by TeachUComp Incorporated. This course introduces the student to Microsoft Outlook, one of the most popular email and scheduling programs available today. Mastering Outlook Made Easy features 99 video lessons, over 4 hours of instruction, with introductory through advanced material. Watch, listen, and learn as your expert instructor guides you through each lesson step by step. During this media-rich learning experience, you will see each function performed just as if your instructor were right there with you. Reinforce your learning with our 2 printable classroom instruction manuals. You'll learn how to effectively create and send email, use the calendar, create and manage tasks, and much more. Whether you are completely new to Outlook or upgrading from an older version, this Outlook 2016 training course will empower you with the knowledge and skills necessary to be a proficient user. We have incorporated years of classroom training experience and teaching techniques to develop an easy-to-use course that you can customize to meet your personal learning needs. Now, let's get started learning Microsoft Outlook 2016.